The family of the late Kenneth Matiba is urging Kenyans to put aside their differences to celebrate the achievements of the veteran politician. NASA principals Kalonzo, Musyoka and Musalia Mudavadi were among dignitaries who condoled with the family of the multi-party champion at his Limuru Home. NTV's Seth Olale with the latest update.
Matiba's family is urging all Kenyans to forget the negativity of the past and instead lay aside their differences to celebrate the life and achievements of the departed hero.
In keeping with Dad's principles, the family encourages all Kenyans to lay aside their differences as we come together to celebrate his life and acknowledge his achievements.
There will be 2 memorial services next week on Wednesday and Thursday at All Saints Cathedral and Musyoka County, respectively. Meanwhile, former Gatanga MP Peter Kenneth vividly remembers the role he played for his namesake veteran politician Kenneth Matiba during the first multi-party elections in 1992. The youthful Peter Kenneth was Foda Sili's Gatanga presidential agent for the late Matiba, who placed second to the incumbent President Daniel Arap Moi.
We coordinated for him in Muranga, in Gatanga. As I said, I was the agent. Very strong personality and very firm in his beliefs.
That's amazing.
NASA co-principal Kalonzo Musyoka recalls how he worked under the late Matiba as his assistant minister. The WEPA leader says Matiba's horrific detention and subsequent mistreatment by the Kanu administration should mark the end of lawlessness by the state.
Is to have detention laws. And the wonderful thing we have under our Constitution 2010, for which he fought so hard. The story of Sabasaba is a story of Kenneth Matiba.
ANC leader and NASA co-principal Musalia Mudavadi said the political class is guilty of sitting back and watching in fear as the late Matiba was subjected to endless torture by his oppressors.
We all go away also with a sense of guilt in our heart and in our minds, because the suffering that he went through was not necessary.
Thank you, President. Thank you very much for coming.
The family of the late Kenneth Matiba is calling upon those who are paying tribute to him to honor his vision by focusing on the future of this great nation without dwelling on the negative of the past. Seth Olale, NTV, Limuru.